Hello guys, welcome to another one. I'm still working on this 2017 Hyundai Elantra, doing the engine swap. I'm doing a full video of this, but the owner, he wanted to remove the honeycomb from the downpipe because he's trying to get more horsepower. I know it's better to get a downpipe, but his hasn't arrived yet, and this catalytic converter or honeycomb, whatever it's called, is clogged. So we're gonna be opening this until he gets the downpipe and he can change it. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can do it. If you guys are in a budget, that you guys cannot do it, this is a way that you guys can do it, but it will throw a check engine code for the O2 sensor sometimes, because it's gonna be saying that it's running too rich, so it's feeling like it's spraying too much fuel or air. So that's one thing that you guys can do if you guys want to get a little bit more horsepower, but it won't be that much unless you guys do the whole muffler completely, like 3 inches, 2.5. It depends on what you guys are running. That's how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's how it's looking right now, but I got a second part. Basically, air goes through here. This is where it gets caught, and I don't know if you guys can see. That's how clogged it was. Obviously, it's hard to tell, but that's how it should be looking. Like that black patches. And that's how it looks. See? Completely empty. So basically it's acting like a piece of metal connected to the turbo, but it's straight. And I don't know if you guys can see, right there is the auto sensor right there. So that's why I'm saying that it might be reading reach or not. Alright guys, this one was a short video. I'm gonna be continuing with this build, so I'm gonna be posting this as the third part. Alright guys, see you in the next one.